Hey everyone, welcome back again to Tech and Talk. I'm Nikhil and today we're going to explore something super important in the world of technology, APIs. An API is like a middleman and it stands for Application Programming Interface. So what it does, it helps different computer programs talk to each other. So if you are curious how all favorite apps and websites work together, then you are in the right place. But don't forget to subscribe and like the video so that you will never miss an update. Before we proceed into the world of API, it's essential to understand that our entire world is running on API. Yep, you heard that right. So why is it crucial to learn about them? Well, I will start by painting a clear picture for you with a straightforward example. Imagine a group of folks from different countries, each speaking their native language. But here is the twist, none of them knows English. Now let's say the Spanish person want to convey a message to the German person. Then how on earth can they communicate? You see, here we have a two option. Either they could learn all the English, which might take a while, or they could use a translator who can effortlessly convert Spanish into German. That's where API came into the play. APIs are like a tech equivalent of translator. They act as a middleman and making it possible for two or more programs talk to each other. So remember this example and remember this simple definition. API is when two or more programs communicate with each other. Now let's explore the concept further and see how it is shaping the digital world around us. In the world of software, we have a different operating systems available in the market. And everyone chooses the one that suits their need. You might be fan of Android, iOS, or prefer using a laptop or desktop. That's totally your choice. Now let's say you want to send a message from Android device to Windows device. Then how can you make that happen? The answer is simple, through a API. In fact, whether you want to send a message to any other operating system, it's always done through a API. So API is acts as a bridge that allows different operating system to communicate with each other. Now let's jump into the practical example in the world of software. Think about popular services like Ola, Uber, Amazon, Swiggy, and Zomato. They all provide you with the convenience of your order delivered to your doorstep, right? You can even track the progress of your order and see the real-time location of that delivery person on a map. So consider here, map is owned by Google and they expose their endpoint to other delivery companies so that they can use the map or they can integrate the map to their system. So here Google Map is your API application and it's integrated in Ola, Uber, Amazon, Swiggy and Zomato. Now you understood, right? So it's pretty much similar to payment gateway example. Banks are providing their payment option through gateway and so that other website can integrate it and make the payment happen. Did you understand the API, right? If you understand, please comment yes. Now let's explore the types of APIs. REST, SOAP and GraphQL. REST stand for representational state transfer and you will find it in most web and mobile apps where we are using the JSON as your data source. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol and you will find this in an enterprise application and mostly wherever we are using the XML as your data source in such a type of that application we're using the SOAP. And GraphQL, it's a popular in apps where we need a precise data request like a social media platform. So each of these APIs serves a specific purpose and adapting to the unique needs of the different software application. So it's your choice in which situation you will use which API. What are the programming languages supported for APIs? So C Sharp is a great choice and ideal for Windows applications and gaming. Python is known for its readability and extensive libraries. JavaScript Node.js is used in the real-time applications. Java is very common for APIs and offer a strong performance. PHP is also very common and widely used in APIs, and mostly it's used in the web applications. Golang is known for its fast API development and known for its speed and simplicity. So Kotlin is Android API choice and improves the Java efficiency. Scala is using wherever we are having a complex API structure, so it offers strong support for the concurrency. Swift is a iOS API language designed for Apple ecosystem. Elixir is we are using when we have to create a real-time APIs. Nowadays, API testers are much in demand, and the most common tools used by them are Postman, Swagger, and SoapUI. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick check. Did you understand what is API and why they are so essential? If you understand, please drop a comment S in the comment below and subscribe to Tech and Talk. It will help us to create such a type of informative videos.